How far can you go to eat your favorite food? Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, kindly subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. On our way to Anambra the other day through Four Corner Udi Road, we stopped by at Amokwe to have a taste of Abacha at Innkeeper's Joint along Udi Oji Road. Because it was our first time visiting the joint, I wanted to know if it is a place worth visiting again or recommending to Abacha lovers, and I must confess it was.
Gone are the days of forgiveness. You take so much more while you're giving less. I'm shaking my head while I'm counting down. I'm counting down, yeah. But I remember a time when our hearts burned. We held back the night and we owned the world. Can we find a way back? Find a way back. Can we find a way back? And don't let me walk on broken water. Don't make me push it any further.
So if you are ever in or within Udi and want to eat a nicely prepared Abacha, head to Innkeeper's Joint in Amokwe along Udi Oji River Road. Because we were in a hurry, we quickly ate and left, but we will definitely be visiting the joint again.